Welcome to 1201 Aerial Dunes 2, located in the beautiful Seascape Resort in Destin, Florida. It is an exclusive vacation destination and it includes over 2,000 feet of sandy white beaches, an 18-hole championship golf course, complete tennis facilities, bike trails, water sports, and swimming pools for your enjoyment. You will find boutique shopping, the Silver Sands Outlet Mall, and world-class restaurants just minutes away. Our professionally decorated condominium in Aerial Dunes 2 is perfect for your beach vacation. It is a spacious corner unit with 3 luxurious bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The gourmet kitchen is complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and everything needed to prepare dinner for your family. Our comfortable living area has a flat-screen television, DVD player, and free Wi-Fi. You can relax on the balconies and enjoy a spectacular view of the Seascape Resort, the beach, and our beautiful sunsets. The beach is a short walk away, and the swimming pool and fitness center with sauna and steam room is right downstairs. There is also access to a heated pool in the tennis village area. Give us a call to schedule your beach vacation at 1201 Aerial Dunes 2 in the Seascape Resort in Destin, Florida.